Welcome to Word Journey, the channel where we make English learning simple, clear, and enjoyable for everyone. Let me start by asking you a question. When someone asks, "What do you do?" or "Where do you work?" do you sometimes struggle to find the right English words to describe your job? Or maybe you want to sound more natural and confident when talking about your work, but you are not sure how to do it. If that sounds familiar, then this video is for you. Today, we are going to learn how to talk about your job in English. You will discover useful phrases, vocabulary, and example sentences that will help you speak more fluently and confidently in everyday conversations, interviews, or even at international workplaces. So, stay with me until the end of this video as we explore everything you need to know to talk about your job in natural English. Let's begin our word journey together. Section 1. Starting a conversation about jobs. In English, people often start a casual conversation by asking about your job. Here are some common questions you might hear. What do you do? Where do you work? What is your job? What do you do for a living? Are you working or studying right now? These questions all mean the same thing. The person wants to know about your occupation. Here are a few natural ways to answer. I work as a teacher. I am a nurse at a hospital. I work in marketing. I am self-employed. I run my own business. I am currently looking for a job. When you answer, try to add a little detail. For example, I work as a graphic designer for a small company in the city. I am a teacher and I teach English to high school students. I work in IT, mainly helping clients with software solutions. Adding short details helps you sound more fluent and interesting. Section 2. Vocabulary for different types of jobs. Let's look at some useful job-related vocabulary. Jobs in offices. Accountant, manager, receptionist, secretary, human resources officer, IT specialist. Jobs in education. Teacher, professor, principal, librarian, tutor, researcher. Jobs in healthcare. Doctor, nurse, dentist, pharmacist, surgeon, therapist. Jobs in service industries. Waiter, chef, driver, cleaner, customer service representative, security guard. Jobs in creative fields. Designer, photographer, musician, writer, artist, filmmaker. Other common jobs. Engineer, mechanic, police officer, pilot, farmer, builder. Learning and practicing these words will help you speak more comfortably when describing what you or others do. Section 3. Describing your job in detail. When you want to talk more about your job, you can describe what you do every day. This helps you use verbs and build longer, more natural sentences. Here are some examples. I work from Monday to Friday. I usually start work at 9 a.m. and finish at 5 p.m. My main responsibility is to help customers solve problems. I manage a small team of 5 people. I prepare reports and attend meetings. I design marketing materials for our clients. I travel often for business. You can also describe your workplace. I work in an office downtown. I work at home most of the time. I work in a hospital near my house. I work outdoors because my job involves construction. These sentences help you sound natural and fluent when sharing about your daily work life. Section 4. Talking about job preferences and opinions. Sometimes you want to talk about whether you like your job or not. Here are some ways to express your opinions naturally. Positive expressions. I really enjoy my job. My job is very rewarding. I love working with my team. I feel proud of what I do. My job is creative and exciting. Negative expressions. My job can be stressful sometimes. I have to work long hours. It can be difficult to manage time. I wish I had more free time. My job is not very flexible. Neutral expressions. My job is okay. It pays the bills. It is a good job, but I am looking for something new. For example, I like my job because I get to meet new people every day. Or, my job is quite challenging, but I learn a lot from it. Expressing opinions helps make your conversation more personal and engaging. Section 5. Asking others about their job. When you are in a conversation, you should also know how to ask others about their jobs. It shows interest and keeps the discussion going. Here are some natural questions you can ask. What do you like most about your job? How long have you been working there? Do you enjoy your work? What kind of projects do you usually work on? Is your job stressful? What inspired you to choose that career? Example dialogue. Historia. Hi, Alina. What do you do for a living? Alina, I work as a nurse at the city hospital. Historia. That sounds interesting. How long have you been working there? Alina, almost 5 years. It can be hard sometimes, but it's also very rewarding. Historia. I can imagine. Helping people every day must feel amazing. Conversations like this are natural and help you connect with people. Section 6. Talking about future job plans. It is also common to talk about future career goals or job changes. You can use future tenses for this. For example, I am planning to look for a new job next year. I want to start my own business in the future. I am thinking about becoming a teacher. I would like to work abroad someday. I hope to get promoted soon. You can also ask others about their plans. Do you want to stay in your current job? Are you planning to change your career? What kind of job do you want in the future? Example conversation. Historia. What are your career goals, Alina? Alina, I would love to work in a big international company. I want to gain more experience. Historia. That sounds great. I am planning to start my own small business next year. Alina, that's exciting. What kind of business do you want to start? Historia, maybe something related to education. I love helping people learn. This kind of exchange shows how to naturally talk about work and ambitions in English. Section 7. Common phrases and expressions about work. Let us look at a few useful idioms and phrases related to jobs. To get a job, to be hired for a position. To look for a job, to search for employment. To quit a job, to leave your position. To get promoted, to move to a higher position. To work overtime, to work extra hours. To be unemployed, to have no job. To work full-time, to work around 40 hours per week. To work part-time, to work fewer hours than full-time. Examples. I got a new job last month. She is looking for a new position in marketing. He works part-time while studying. I hope to get promoted soon. These phrases are common and will help you sound more natural when speaking English at work or in daily life. Section 8. Conclusion. Talking about your job in English is one of the most important skills you can learn because it helps you in daily conversations interviews, and professional environments. You can start small, just by learning how to say what you do, describe your daily tasks, and express your feelings about your job. The more you practice, the more natural it will become. Remember, confidence comes with time and practice. The key is to keep speaking and using what you learn in real-life situations. Thank you for watching Word Journey. I hope this video has helped you understand how to talk about your job in English confidently and naturally. If you found this lesson helpful, please like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Word Journey for more useful English learning videos. Keep learning, keep improving, and keep growing with Word Journey, your guide to mastering English, one conversation at a time.